Hi, in this video, I'll be showing you how to fill form 1120 and also the form 5472. You'll have to note that filling these two forms is not beginner friendly. So if you make mistakes, you can get penalties, especially for the last one, which is 5472. Of course, if you are unsure, make sure to use a CPA. These forms are filled with Internal Revenue Service. So first of all, here we have the form 1120, and of course we have the form 5472. So what are these forms? The first form here is basically US Corporation Income Tax Return. It's used by C Corps and some LLS taxed as corporation. And the second form is basically required for foreign-owned US companies. Report transactions with foreign owners as well. So if you are a non-US owner, this form is usually required. So if you know, or first of all, you would like to know if you need both. You typically need both if you have a US, LLS, or corporate, and it is a foreign owned at least 25% plus of the shares. If not, the rules may be a little bit different. So before trying to fill up the forms, make sure to gather your EIN number, company details, owner details, income and expenses, and all the transactions with foreign owner. It is very, very important for this form, which is 4472. So to fill up the form 1120, you must include your business income, your expenses, and profit and loss. This is basically the main tax report. You must report the owner info, related party transaction, and money sent/received from owner. Even if you have $0 transactions, you may still need to fill the form. So basically here you'll have to go through all of it. Make sure to prepare all the documents that I mentioned before. So as I said, you may not make, or you should not make, any mistakes using these. So make sure to check your work twice. The first form, which is 1120, has 6 pages, and the second form has only 3. So if you are not sure about your work, make sure to use a CPA for help. So for the second form, this form usually is not filled alone. It must be attached to the form 1120. So make sure to fill the form. You can do it normally by email. You can just print the forms, then mail it to the IRS address, depends on the state, of course, or maybe through a tax professional, a CPA or tax service, and it's very recommended to do that. So for the deadline, the standard deadline should be April 15. With extension, it should be October 15. So the penalty of missing, as example, form 5472 is 25 grand penalty minimum. So this is why accuracy matter. And if you're unsure about it, you'll need the help of CPA. And again, you'll have to go through it and read everything slowly, make sure to answer correctly without any problems, and you should be good to go. It's not very hard to do it, but you'll have to be precise on everything so you don't get penalized. And of course, if you don't know where to get them from, you can just go and open your browser and type right away form 1120. And then as example, you don't have even to add that, 1120, click on the first link. As you can see, it will be PDF right away. And second one, just type form 4572, hit the enter button, click on the first link, and you should find here the current version, which is on PDF. So you can find instructions for that form if you want to, if you need it. You may find it useful. So the form should be here in PDF. Just go and click on it, and you should find yourself with the two forms. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.